Social media posts like this are what got Don Rae into some hot water. The posts were offensive and in some cases even racist. Rae posted this link that says the Liberals want to introduce children to anal sex and, quote, made up genders. He has since resigned, according to the government, voluntarily.
You know, it was social media posts. He obviously some posts that he had did last week caused some significant media attention. My understanding is more posts came to light yesterday, and he resigned from the board.
Coming under fire for social media posts is nothing new, but this communications expert says she's surprised public figures and government appointees have yet to learn their lessons.
I think people tend to forget that social media is an actual direct extension of who you are as an individual. So, you know, I always see it as you have to think of social media as a virtual resume.
Braid says even people who don't have political aspirations should watch what they post, never knowing what will come back to haunt them.
It doesn't matter if you want to be Prime Minister of Canada or a CEO of a corporation. It still is, you know, a representation of who you are, right? And people have to be conscious that even, you know, in your 20s, whatever you're posting, you know, pictures of you partying can hinder or help a potential career move 20 years from now.
This tech expert says part of the issue is lack of understanding. Users don't really get that social media posts are almost always public, even if they don't think that they are.
Even if you think that you have strong privacy settings, there's no telling who within amongst your friends list, which is much more like an acquaintance list, might leak that information.
There is, of course, the question of whether or not the government properly vetted Rae, whether or not someone with those views should have been hired in the first place. Ryder says because Rae was already sitting on a regional health board, there was no serious vetting process. Charles Hamilton, CBC News, Saskatoon.